Okay, guys, we are going to do the Kit 4 spelling mastery check to make sure we're ready to move on to Kit 5. Please open a new document. And the first thing you'll need to do is put your heading on your paper. So let's practice that together real fast. You're going to right align your paper with your first and last name, the period you have me, and the date. Today is September 16th, 2020. You'll enter twice. Center Kit 4 mastery check. Enter, and left align. If you need to pause to do this, please do so now. Okay, now I'm going to give you your words. Number 1, wax. Number 2, sty. Number 3, thorn. Number 4, world. Number 5, attic. Number 6, dimmer. Number 7, quest. Number 8, compelling. Number 9, bay. Number 10, labeled. Number 11, happening. Number 12, evils. Number 13, pony. Number 14, nerve. Number 15, likes. Number 16, zone. Number 17, sharpen. Number 18, fused. Number 19, complete. Number 20, was.